Hi guys, welcome back to post-market report from Financial Independence channel. So let's look at what happened in the market today and what is the trade setup for tomorrow. So currently it's Nifty is 17 points down, Dow Jones is 150 points up, Nasdaq is also considerably up. Coming to our market, Friday it made a bullish candle which is a pin bar candle, and today with the help of with the support of positive local and global cues, it sustained above 15,800 levels, and throughout the day it sustained above the same. So now it is trying to retest its previous highs. It is exactly hitting the resistance at trendline support, trendline resistance. So tomorrow it may pass through this and then it may retest 15,880 to 15,900 area. So if you see 15,900 is having a, a good resistance and 16,000 is only having a huge resistance. So market may retest 15,900 in a couple of days, maybe even tomorrow, because if you see all the global cues and local cues are good. Recovery, I mean, like the unlock of the lockdowns and every sector reopening is helping the markets to move up and also the economy. So 15,800 is having a very huge support. So I don't think that market will fall below 15,800 in this week for sure. So this is going to be the levels for this week. 15,800 to 15,000, 16,000 is going to be the levels for this week, until unless if there is any negative negative news inflow, or if the TCS results are disappointing, then there may be I mean, like there may be a fall. Otherwise, market will try to hold this highs, and or otherwise try to hover around this area. So coming to Bank Nifty today again 400 points up after a fall of almost 4 days. On Friday, it made a bullish harami. You see, this is the bullish harami, and then today it had made a gap up and then sustained above 35,000 levels. So since the morning it sustained the 35,000 levels but unable to move past through that and cross 200 levels, 35,200 levels. So in a couple of days we can expect 35,000 levels to break. So 35,000 is having a good resistance, and 36,000 is like 35,500 is having a good resistance, and 36,000 is having a huge resistance. We see 35,000 is having the huge support also. So the range will be 35,500 to 35,500, 35,000 levels for this week. HDFC Bank, after falling 5 continuous days, it took support and then it sustained above zero point 0.5 extension levels. So the next will be, it will be trying to retest the 0.618 extension levels, which is 1528. So if it starts moving again, I am repeating, this will drag the Bank Nifty and Nifty above 16,000 and 36,000 levels. ICICI Bank, which was performing very poor on the last week, on Friday it took support and then it moved up, and today also it made a gap up and sustained above the breakout levels of 644. You can see it took support on the resistance, I mean like support on the trend line, and then it started moving up. So until unless if there is any fall on these heavy weights, there is not going to be a very big fall. So this week is going to be a bullish on a bullish note. Reliance above 2136. It is again going to retest its 2200 levels. Today it sustained the 61.8% retracement. So the next will be 2200 levels only. So it may be coming in a couple of sessions or maybe in the next week. So the view has changed for Reliance also. It took support for the past 1 week. It took support around the 2090. It did not pass through 2080 levels. If it had passed through 2080 levels, then there may be more fall and more pain. But now it had sustained and closed above 61.8% retracement. So SBAN again back to 430 levels. So the overall trend is bullish now. IT were performing a bit poor in the morning, but due to the unexpected results, I mean like upcoming results, there are some profit bookings happening. So it could not sustain above 3354. Infosys 11 points up. Emphasis. Hero Motocorp today. Maruti performed very good in the morning, but later in the second half it started to uh, lose its gains. You can see it made a good up move in the morning. Then again it made a like a dragonfly doji. So again, the mid caps and small caps are performing very good today. Most of the stocks like HFCL had hit the upper circuit. Many stocks, everything is hitting minimum 10 to 20. Like a 15 percentage moves. Aimco Electronics 14 percentage move. Pidilite 4 percentage move. IOL Chemicals 3 points 3 percentage move. So all are small caps. Small caps are performing very good. Small caps and mid caps. So the trend is again good for the mid caps and small caps. You can keep focusing on all the breakout stocks in this. There are many good setups which are breaking out, and we are continuously following up with these breakout setups, and we are coming out with good handsome profits on this. Coming to the FIDA data, FI had sold for 338 crores and DA had bought for almost 645 crores. FIA sold 338 crores and DA 645 crores. So DA are back on support. Other than that, the IPO news are flowing in. Zomato IPO, which is like the most expected one and the most awaited one, is going to hit this month, and everybody is very keen on this. So the usual fundamental levels or the usual valuation methods will not work for Zomato because these are futuristic companies and their valuations cannot be calculated with the existing fundamentals or their profit loss reports. If you see here in India, Zomato is having a very good platform and their their delivery status across the nation is very good. Amazon is also trying to step in. So if there is any hard player getting in, until unless that Zomato is going to have a very good movement in the upcoming days. I'm expecting a huge hit in the Zomato IPO. Apart from that, LIC IPO, government is planning for that in the Jan 2022. So it is started to get merchandise from the banks. So those invitations are happening. Like background process are going on. So specialty chemicals, as usual, specialty chemicals are continuing very good. And consumer FMCG products today, Gujarat, Godrej Consumer, it performed very well. It gave a breakout. So Godrej CP is at the verge of the breakout. 933, 940 levels. Breaking that, it is going to have a very huge move. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, it will have a very huge move. At least 10 to 15 percentage up move is waiting. Muthoot Finance made a breakout today. So a very good move on the. See, it made a bullish flag pattern, and then after a small consolidation, it gave a breakout, squeezed, and then volumes got squeezed, and then it gave a huge breakout today. It's a perfect bullish flag pattern. So many small cap stocks and mid cap stocks are performing very good. Please continue focusing on this. And the next 12 to 15 months will be focused on the hospitality stocks, which are like, like tourism stocks and hospitality stocks. I'm expecting this reopen and lockdown reopen will be very good for the bringing fortune for the hospitality stocks. keep an eye on that. I will be sharing these stocks in our group. So let's continue to make handsome profits, guys. So hope you like this content, and please like and subscribe if you like, and then please share with your friends. So have a great night and good night. Bye.